Now we are going to apply a coding structure similar to Whack a Mole. Pick a green flag and repeat for 10 times. Create a variable called color number. Initialize it to be 0. And make it pick random between 1 to 6 inside the repeat loop. Put if blocks under it to represent each situation. Use try and error to find the color in a range of 0 to 200. Outside the video, I have already tested out the number for each color. Try it yourself so that you do not need to memorize the number. Just change the number until you find the perfect one. Put the color number in a variable so that the coding would be easier to read. And we are going to use the variables again in next sprite. Now test it and see whether the word is changing the color accordingly. Make a new sprite by creating a red rectangle with black outline. This rectangle will be the background color and make the game more challenging. Here I'm trying to move the word sprite to front layer and make it becomes green color as well. And here I'm making the rectangle a bit bigger. Put the if blocks in the backpack, and later we will copy it to the rectangle sprite. We need a broadcast to tell the rectangle change its color after the word getting a random color. So get broadcast message 1 and wait. This longer one that I am using is different with the shorter one. The longer one will stop the progress of the word sprite until the codings in rectangle sprite are finished. Now go to rectangle sprite, get when I receive message 1, and copy the if blocks from backpack. Make a variable called rectangle color number. And replace the original color number variable with the new one. Remove wait 3 seconds at the end of the coding. Here we are going to tell Scratch every time the rectangle have another color with the word. Firstly, set rectangle color number to color number. Then tell Scratch to pick a random number that is different with the colored word. put the if blocks under it. Notice that all the set color effects to a number block in rectangle sprite is now telling the rectangle to change color, but not the word. Go back to work sprite and set the color effect back to 0. Now test it.